mulai B and C. But now Miss ini wants you to do section 2A pre-listening, ya. On page 3, halaman 3 sudah lihat pre-listeningnya. Vocabulary and prediction. Okay, please read the text carefully. Tugasnya kalian disuruh apa itu ya? Coba dilihat. Oh iya, oke, menjujurkan apa ya, Mas Din? The words in the left table read its meaning. Can you guess it? What is the word curiosity means? What is curiosity?
A strong desire to know or learn something.
A strong desire to know or learn something. Apa itu di dalam bahasa Indonesia? Apa itu curious? Penasaran, betul. Apalagi ada yang tahu lagi? Curious itu penasaran. Curious bisa berarti kalau bahasa kita sehari-hari kepo gitu ya. Kepo gitu. Oke. And then what is blind? Blind bola. Blind bola kasih blind. What is blind? Okay, di sini we'll give you about 60 seconds to do pre-listening section 2A, and then after 60 seconds itu berapa sih? Kan banyak. 1 menit. Okay, 2 minutes to do this pre-listening from number 2 to number 5. Then after that, after 2 minutes, we will discuss it together. Okay? Bang. Iya, itu cuma tadi kan satunya udah kita bahas. 2 sampai oh ya sorry 2 sampai 6. Iya ditanya dong. Atau kalau di sini tadi kan mana tadi curiosity, a strong desire to know or learn. Sini sama dengan curiosity. Bapak sama nanti kamu nggak pusing bacanya ya. Blind tadi apa ya? Blind box. Blind box. Blind box.